This is an accessory strap with magnetic mounts for a Fluke multimeter. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase one, it'd cost you about $15 to $16. So it comes in a little Ziploc bag, and you get this little plastic clip. The plastic clip is designed to clip into the kind of accessory port on a Fluke multimeter and just hang there. You just push in here to pull it back out like that. And this guy here has the magnet hanging point. So essentially this will snap to a piece of metal. You hook this to the strap, and then you can hang your Fluke off of a utility panel or whatever you're working near that's metal where you want to hang this guy up at. So the way this was packed, the magnet was kind of stuck inside of this Velcro loop closure, and it's kind of up to you how you want to set this up. I like having the Velcro kind of on the inside, so what I'm going to do is take it off and just reverse it so that it'll be on the other side. So in this way, the fuzzy part of the Velcro, and the Velcro is on the inside of this strap, and the magnet's on there, and then you have the little connection point here. So when you're not using this, you can kind of like just leave it hanging around below here. When you want to hang it up, you just pull it out and hit it to some metal. This is a pretty hefty magnet. So this is just my garage door here. It'll hang it up there. I can kind of yank on it. I mean, eventually you could pull it off, but it will definitely stay up there, and you can just use this while you're working next to it so you don't have to hold it with your hands. Also works on metal conduit. Yeah, so this thing is great. Does exactly what it says it'll do. It will hang your Fluke multimeter from pretty much any piece of metal. Easy to pull back off with this, plastic covering. It's not going to scratch the metal because it has this plastic thing that gets between the magnet and the metal. Plenty strong to hold my multimeter, which is a 115, and you can still pull it off without too much difficulty. Now, you don't have to use it with the Fluke. You could use it with anything that would accept kind of this 1-inch nylon webbing through a strap. You could hold just about anything of similar weight up. But it does come with this nice Fluke-specific plastic kind of snap-in mounting tab here. And at least on my 115, there's enough metal in there that you can just stick it there and it'll kind of hang out.